Welcome! In this video, we're taking a deep dive into the Simcenter HEEDS page within the Siemens Support Center. The Siemens Support Center is a comprehensive online platform that brings all the support resources you need into one easy-to-use location, featuring personalized content, an extensive knowledge base, powerful search capabilities, and intuitive navigation. In the Support Center, you can access the web portal at support.sw.siemens.com. Find the latest product downloads and installation guides for all Siemens products. Search through our centralized knowledge base containing FAQs, examples, documentation, and videos. Open new support cases and track their progress. Access on-demand training through Siemens Accelerator Academy. And join a community of experts for collaboration and knowledge sharing. Your access to products in the Siemens Support Center is determined by your company's licenses. To gain access, you'll need to be registered and linked to your company's unique site ID or sold to number. For detailed guidance on completing your registration, please refer to our 4 steps to register for Support Center video or the public knowledge base article provided in the description below. These resources walk you through the complete process: creating your account, setting up your password, verifying your email address, and configuring your account settings. During the final step, you'll need to specify your products and enter your company's site ID or sold to number. If you don't have this information readily available, you have several options. Contact your software administrator or IT department. Ask a colleague who already has access to the desired software. Or proceed with the registration without entering the site ID or sold to number. If you choose the latter option, the Support Center team will manually process your registration and link you to the appropriate company account. Once you're registered and Simcenter HEEDS is part of your company's portfolio, the HEEDS tile should appear in your product carousel. If you don't see the HEEDS tile, first confirm you're linked to the correct site ID or sold to. If you are correctly linked but still don't see it, please verify that HEEDS is activated within your Manage Product List menu. Please note that from this product list, you have a quick link to the Account Center, where you can report any missing products. Before we dive into the HEEDS product page itself, let's quickly tour the main Support Center homepage. Remember, this main page displays information only for the tools you have access to. Below the product list carousel, you'll find the latest product downloads for your available products. As the centralized knowledge base, the Support Center is constantly updated with new articles from our engineers. Right from this page, you can get a quick look at the 3 latest knowledge base articles, also called KBAs. Similarly, you can see the latest 3 videos promoted on the right side of the page. Further down, you'll find 3 quick access links. First, Siemens Accelerator Academy, that is your hub for training materials. Next, the community website, where you can connect and exchange with Siemens experts. And finally, the Account Center, where you can review your current licenses, your company's site ID, and your contact information. This page also lists your support cases. You can easily sort them by recently updated or by still open status. You can also create a new support case directly from this table, without needing to navigate to a specific product page first. Now let's focus on the HEEDS page. We're going to review the 7 tabs available at the top of the HEEDS page. Some of these tabs are also represented as sections within the landing page itself, such as the Knowledge Base section where 3 articles are recommended. You can also access the latest release repository, the Getting Started page, and the latest published videos. The Highlights section provides links to the Simcenter HEEDS release notes published in the Simcenter blog. Please note that this video was recorded while Simcenter HEEDS 2504 was the latest release, so some interface elements may differ compared to what you can see. The support case block at the bottom leads directly to your support case list. In the Getting Started page, you can find materials to streamline your onboarding process for using HEEDS. We strongly recommend downloading and reviewing the HEEDS Getting Started Customer Playbook. This is a comprehensive welcome packet designed to guide you and provide valuable resources. The HEEDS Getting Started video is also an excellent reference to help you become comfortable with the HEEDS interface and terminology. The 3 other guides pinned at the top are the HEEDS MDO Getting Started Guide, which contains an introduction and simple example problems, and the 2 installation guides for Windows and Linux. As you can see, the 3 guides pinned at the top are for the latest release, Simcenter HEEDS 2504 at the time being. You can filter materials by version if you're interested in finding resources related to a specific version. Many of the materials accessible through this page are visible in the Documentation tab, which we'll present later in this video. The next tab is Knowledge Base, which gathers all articles including FAQs, examples, best practices, and more. We have selected 8 important articles and featured them at the top for easy access. Let's select one of them to review the typical structure of a knowledge base article. Generally, knowledge base articles are designed to address a specific question, which is clearly stated in the title. Each article contains a summary section for quick reference and a detailed section for comprehensive information and guidance. Many articles also include links to related content to help you explore the topic further. To guide you in connecting external tools with Simcenter HEEDS, we provide specialized examples called Simcenter HEEDS with. You can easily find these by filtering with the example category. As we can see in this Simcenter HEEDS with Technomatics plant simulation article, each integration guide includes a comprehensive PDF presentation that walks you through the connection steps, plus all the necessary files for implementation. Note that while videos appear in the knowledge base listings, we'll explore them in detail in the dedicated Videos tab. The Training tab provides quick links to the Siemens Accelerator Academy where all training materials are stored. The videos at the bottom provide introduction and guidance about the Siemens Accelerator Academy solutions and offerings. The Downloads tab serves as the official repository for Simcenter HEEDS installers. After selecting a specific release, you'll find the respective installers for both Linux and Windows operating systems. The repository also includes additional files such as specialized extensions installers for specific purposes and also checksum files to verify installer integrity. As you can see at the top of each release folder, the Release Notes PDF is conveniently available for reference. You can easily switch between different releases using the More Versions button at the top of the page. The Documentation tab contains comprehensive resources for Simcenter HEEDS. Like the other tabs, documentation links for the latest release are featured at the top for quick access. Please note that Simcenter HEEDS MDO and Simcenter HEEDS Post each have their own dedicated documentation sets. When the page content isn't restricted to a specific version, documentation sets for all previous releases are listed below. For example, let's select version 2024 to access documentation for both the 2404 and 2410 releases. Rather than displaying each documentation set separately in the main list, a structured table of contents called Browse HEEDS Help by Product Area guides you to the appropriate help section based on your specific needs. Then you have access to the entire help documentation available for the tool. When you access documentation directly from the graphical user interface, it automatically opens the relevant section in the Support Center. The online documentation features context-sensitive capabilities, meaning when you click any help symbol in the interface, the corresponding section opens directly in the online documentation. While you can use the locally distributed PDF documentation to avoid opening online resources, you'll miss out on these valuable context-sensitive features. The final tab, Videos, gathers all video content produced on HEEDS topics, including HEEDS technical insights, quick start videos, Optimize this series, and other informative content. You can watch videos directly in the list view for a quick preview or switch to full screen mode for a more comfortable viewing experience. As we've seen throughout the 7 tabs, the Support Center offers a treasure trove of resources. While this comprehensive content library is invaluable, it can be overwhelming when you need specific information quickly. To address this challenge, phrase your HEEDS search query in the form of a question in the search field at the top. The Support Center features advanced AI-powered search functionality that analyzes your question and intelligently provides a comprehensive suggested answer tailored to your specific inquiry. In addition to this AI-generated response, a curated selection of the most relevant articles is displayed below. You can also filter these results by selecting different categories at the top of the list, helping you quickly find the exact type of information you need. That concludes our tour of the Simcenter HEEDS page within the Siemens Support Center. We've explored all 7 tabs and the wealth of resources available to support your Simcenter HEEDS journey, from getting started materials and comprehensive documentation to training videos and AI-powered search capabilities. Remember to phrase your search queries as questions for the best results, and don't hesitate to explore all the tabs to find exactly what you need. If you can't find what you're looking for, our support team is always available to help guide you to the right resources or assist with your specific questions. Thank you for watching. And we hope this tour helps you make the most of your Simcenter HEEDS experience.